Today on CrossFit Kids Tips and Tricks, we're going to talk about the push-up and what's the best way to get kids to do a full range of motion push-up. And range of motion, R-O-M, is what we need to keep in mind. We've had an awful lot of progressions that we've tried. None of them have worked quite as well as keeping in mind this, range of motion, constantly keeping that in mind.
So teaching the push-up, the first thing we do is teach the finish position. And that is the position where the arms are open, shoulders are pressing into the ground, and the kids are in a nice hollow body position, holding that plank. We teach that plank and we tell them this is the finish position of the push-up. Next thing we do is teach the start position, and that is where their chest and their thighs are on the ground. We tell them this is where you start. And then we allow the kids to get from the start position to the finish position in any manner that they want to. Some kids, of course, are strong enough to go ahead and press out with a nice plank up into the plank position. Other kids have to roll up, and they roll up, and they'll roll up, their chest will come up off the ground, their knees will come off the ground, and they'll end up planking in that plank position. I'm going to have Duncan show this in a couple minutes, but this roll-up push-up has been a great skill transfer movement to a standard or full range of motion push-up. I hope you find this helpful.
Plank position, which is the top position of the push-up. Teach the plank position. I want the kids nice and planked all the way up. And then we're going to have them go all the way down to the ground. And that's the bottom position. Chest is on the ground, legs are on the ground, and then I don't care how they get back up. They can push up or roll up. Go back down, Duncan. They can roll up. And as they get stronger, that roll-up will be less, and they'll do regular push-ups. Bottom, Duncan, and give us 3 good roll-up push-ups. And I want you to establish the plank at the top. Ready? Go.